Hey Jorge, this is Bobby. Here's your custom video to show you how to grow your business by increasing your online presence. So when you market online, you want to be on the first page of Google. And there are three main factors that come into play. Those things are citations, content, and backlinks. So I'm going to show you how they work. I used this keyword Fort Worth roof repair and I typed it into Google search. This first thing right here is the ad section. So with the ad section, you pay Google each time somebody clicks on your ad right here. The thing about ads is nowadays a lot of web servers, they come with ad blockers. So if someone is searching for a roof repair or for any of your services and they have an ad blocker, this part won't even come up. This next section right here is called the GMB, or the map pack. And so your Google My Business page gets listed on here. And the way it gets listed on here is mainly by the amount of citations you have. So a citation is your name, address, and phone number, exactly the way it's listed right here in Google. So we see that Fort Worth, Texas roofing is number one, and we see that you're not right here. So we're going to take a look at theirs to see why they're number one. Whenever I click on it, it pops their Google My Business page up. They have 16 reviews, which isn't very many, and they have some pictures. So that's another way to get your GMB page higher than their. Get pictures and make sure that they're saved properly as keywords. And so we're going to look at yours. Look at the difference. You have one review, so you can add more, and definitely make sure we save your keywords or your pictures as keywords. So now let's look at the citations. I looked both of them up and I see right here you have 4 citations and they have 52. So when I click right here, it's going to give me the list of directories that they have their name in, and we can grab them for your own. The second thing that we were talking about, I just lost it. The second thing is content. So whenever we scroll down right here, this brings us to the organic section, and this is where your website will be listed. The first one right here is Home Advisor. That's actually a directory, so you can add your citation onto that. The second one is Fort Worth Roofing. So we're going to look at their page to see why they are number one and why you weren't. So I first noticed that they have a lot of citations on there. I'm sorry, not a lot of citations, that they have a lot of content. Actually, it doesn't look like very much content. So let's check it out. I use the word counter and it tells me that they only have 501 words. Well, Google wants you to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 to get your page optimized. So we're going to take a look at yours. So the first thing that I see is that yours is not secured. So that's an important factor to Google. We need to first get your website secured. And I don't see a whole lot of content either. So that could be one factor why you aren't on that first page. So I used my word counter and it says you have 339 words. So it's not very many less than them, but it's still not enough for Google to want to rank you on the first page. But it's not content alone that's going to bring you on to the first page. It depends on how many keywords you have. So you have to have keyword rich content. So remember that keyword that I used in the beginning, those Fort Worth roof repair? I use my tool right here called Ahrefs. It's something that I pay every month. It's showing me that every month Fort Worth roof repair has 250 searches and it has a cost per click of $25. So that means that anybody who has an ad with the word Fort Worth roof repair, whenever you click on it, they're paying $25 to Google. But I also looked right here and it says that it has a keyword difficulty of 13, which means that it's medium to rank. So we want to find keywords that are right here, that are under 10, that are easy to rank, and that are high volume like this, so we can get those words onto your web page. So whenever I use Eris again and I put in Fort Worth Roofers, it's telling me that their page has 161 organic keywords that Google is finding on them. But it's not the keywords alone. The third thing that I was talking to you about was backlinks. So a backlink is whenever one website in a relevant niche like yours puts your link onto their page. It's linking back to you, so it's telling Google it's that you have trust and popularity. So right here it's showing me that they have 548 backlinks from 52 referring domains. So that could be a reason, one reason why they're on number one. But I see right here that their domain rating is very low. So we need to find you some higher ranking backlinks so that we can get your domain rating higher and get you onto the first page. So all of this together is giving them an organic traffic value of 90 visits every month. So let's take a look at your page. So I see right here you have you have 6 organic keywords that Google is finding for you, and you have 4 backlinks from one referring domain. And so your page is probably fairly new. Yeah, it's probably fairly new, so Google isn't rating it yet. So those were the 3 things that I basically wanted to go over with you. To recap, it's citations, keyword-rich content, and backlinks. I look forward to hearing what you think about this video, and I will talk to you soon.